Learn English with your Instill.
You look quiet today. Is everything okay?
I'm okay, just thinking about life.
Do you want to share your thoughts with me?
Yes, talking to you always helps.
Why do you trust me so much?
Because you always listen without judging.
That means a lot to me.
You mean a lot to me too.
Do you ever feel scared about the future?
Sometimes, but you make me feel safe.
Really? How?
Your support gives me confidence.
What makes you happiest in our relationship?
Your small, caring gestures.
Like what?
Like asking if I ate or rested.
I never realized those things matter so much.
They matter more than expensive gifts.
Do you remember our first meeting?
Yes, I was very nervous.
I was nervous too.
But it felt comfortable talking to you.
When did you realize you loved me?
When I missed you for the first time.
That sounds sweet.
It was a strange but beautiful feeling.
Do you think we understand each other well?
Yes, even without speaking sometimes.
What is your biggest fear in life?
Losing people I love.
You will never lose me.
That promise makes me emotional.
Why are emotions important in a relationship?
Because emotions build deep connections.
Do you feel I support your dreams?
Yes, you always encourage me.
What is one thing you appreciate about me?
Your patience during difficult times.
Do I ever hurt your feelings?
Sometimes, but unintentionally.
Why don't you tell me when that happens?
Because I don't want to hurt you.
You should always tell me honestly.
I will try from now on.
What makes you feel loved the most?
When you listen carefully to me.
Do you like spending silent time together?
Yes, silence with you feels peaceful.
What makes you smile instantly?
Your unexpected compliments.
Do you believe love changes with time?
Yes, it becomes deeper and calmer.
Do you think we have changed since marriage?
Yes, but in a good way.
How do we solve misunderstandings?
By talking honestly and calmly.
Do you feel proud of our relationship?
Yes, very proud.
What do you miss when I am not around?
Your presence and your voice.
Do you like our late night conversations?
Yes, they feel very special.
What is your favorite memory with me?
Our first trip together.
Why was that trip special?
Because we laughed a lot.
Do you think laughter strengthens relationships?
Yes, laughter heals everything.
Do you feel comfortable sharing your worries?
Yes, I feel safe with you.
What do you do when I feel sad?
I try to cheer you up.
How do you usually cheer me up?
By talking softly and making jokes.
Do you think we are good partners?
Yes, we balance each other.
What is one thing you want from me forever?
honesty and loyalty.
You will always have that.
That gives me peace.
Do you like planning our future together?
Yes, it makes me excited.
What kind of future do you imagine?
A peaceful and happy life together.
Do you think love needs effort?
Yes, love grows with effort.
What do you do when you miss me?
I look at our old photos.
That is so emotional.
Those memories are precious to me.
Do you believe love should be expressed daily?
Yes, small expressions matter.
Do you feel comfortable crying in front of me?
Yes, because you understand my feelings.
What do you do when I am stressed?
I try to support you emotionally.
Do you think emotional support is important?
Yes, it keeps relationships strong.
What makes our bond special?
Our understanding and respect.
Thanks for watching. Do like the video, share this to your friend, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.